Good morning, class 2nd children. Today in computer, we'll learn the use of computer in hospitals. As you all are aware of the fact that today in our daily use, today in our daily life, computer has taken a broad place in our livelihood. How it has taken a broad place in our livelihood? Because of its insistence in our daily life, because of its interference in our daily life, whether it is a school, whether it is a platform, railway stations, hospitals, whatever, everywhere without computer our work is not fulfilled. We have to use computer in order to fulfill our work. So in the similar manner, in hospitals also, hospital basically is regarded for a human health and hygiene. What is hospital? Hospital is a place where we go for our hygiene and maintenance of our body and for a regular checkup. Now you might be wondering that how computer is used in such a place. How computer is used in such a place? How computer helps in our body function? So my dear children, let me aware you of the fact that computer, it is used in various process for your scanning of body, for your ultrasound, for your x-rays, in every sphere, for laser operations, whatever major type of operations are there. In various cases, computers are used in hospitals. So these are the major uses of computers in hospitals. Now I will talk about some minor uses of computer in hospitals. What are the minor uses? Beta, computer keeps all the record of certain patients, those who have visited in that hospital, their visiting day, their next visiting day, when they visited at the first, their body, their mind, their weight, their height, every record is being stored in the computer in hospitals. Now, this is all about the patient. Now, computer also keeps a record of its hospital's doctors. Those doctors who are working in that hospital, their records are also being placed in the computer. What type of records? For example, Mr. M.K. Tripathi, MS. What is that? It is signifying that Mr. M.K. Tripathi is a doctor, and he is a doctor of what type? He is a surgeon, master of surgeon. Mr. X, MD, master of medicine, doctor of medicine, MBBS. So in hospitals, computers keep the basic records of their faculties also, whether it is a doctor, whether it is a compounder, whether it is a nurse, whatever it may be. So now let me say one more interesting fact to you, and this interesting fact will be quite vital for you. Computers also keeps the record of certain medicines, stock. What type of medicine are there in the hospital record? What type of medicines are not there? These all things. So if we assemble all the things together, computer is a basic need in a hospital. Today, presently, computers are even used to see the tiny minute particles that is inside your body. If it is giving you a disturbance or if it is essential for your body. So in all sphere, computers are very essential for you. And this computer is used in hospital. Basically, computers are used in hospitals for ultrasound, x-rays, in order to take your internal glands, these things. So children, I think this video is clear to you. Tomorrow I will be coming with a new video. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.